While hummingbird melodies resound around the lignum vitae blossom, we thank our ancestors, those etched on the coat of arms and those embedded in our hearts, for entrusting to us the care and continuation of our shared heritage. Fulfilled by our favorite fruit, we lift our hands in homage to the national flag and anthem. It is in our best interest to preserve and repair this land, because this is Afiwilika Island. Let's take every opportunity to thoroughly explore our country while we raise our heads with pride and dignity.
Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind,
the strength and vigor of my body in the service of my fellow citizens.
I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly.
Jamaica, may we, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play our part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race.